Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Honda CBR500R. Lightweight, twin-cylinder sport bike, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, ABS brakes, and this one's equipped with GV side cases, luggage rack. Only 1,000 miles on this beautiful satin black CBR500R. Come by, make your sport tour dreams come true with this lightweight Honda 500. Price to sell just $53.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.